All right, we got this amazing Air Choice portable air conditioner, great for rooms up to 450 square feet. I've already got it hooked up and everything. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come down here, press the power button to turn it on. We've already got it, it's set on the air conditioning mode right now. 62 degrees, that's the lowest temperature it goes to. So it'll cool down the room really quickly. I'm just gonna go up to the top temperature, that way you can see the temperatures it ranges on here. So goes all the way up to 86. So if you're living in a place that's really hot and you want to cool it down to 86, it can do that for you. Great. Let's come over here. We'll go to the dehumidifier now. That's going to be the dehumidifier. We've also got a fan right here. Low mode as well as high mode. And you come down here. This is adjustable right here. You've also got, if you come back here, the hose is connected right here up into the window. This can fit all sorts of window sizes. It can go this way. It can also go this way, depending on your needs with the window. And then when you're also, this will let you know if you're using the dehumidifier, if it's full with water. You can connect the hose right here to right there. Put the hose in there, connect it, and you can drain it outside or whatever you want to do. But all in all, this is just a really high quality air conditioner. We're coming into the summer right now as I'm filming this video. Oh, one last thing I want to show you. It comes with this remote right here. So although I controlled everything there, it got this remote as well as the batteries. Great air conditioner. Highly recommend.